Hi everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. How are you? I'm good. I'm just wanting to announce my birthday giveaway, the 3rd annual. So it starts on November 15th, which is my birthday. It's going to run for 12 days to November 26th, which was my mom's birthday. So every day from the 15th to the 26th, I'm going to put up a video and I'm going to show one item that's going to be in the giveaway. Now what you guys need to do is enter on every single video. Watch the video, they'll be short, and make a comment based on what I say in the video and you'll be entered. And of course the rules will be down below in all the videos, okay? So if you enter on, say, 2 or 3 videos and your name gets pulled from each of those videos, your name will go into the hat that many times. Could be 2, could be 12. What if your name gets pulled from all 12 videos? But anyway, I'll be using the YouTube random comment picker to choose someone from each of those videos. Those 12 names go into a hat, and then I probably have hubby pull the names like he did last year, and so there'll be a first prize, second prize, and a third prize. Yes, 3 winners. And let's see, yeah, I'll pull those names after the 26th because just give you guys more time to enter on each video. So yeah, so make sure you save this video so that you can remember the rules or whatever, but I will connect this video under all those videos, and it's open worldwide. There will be physical prizes, there'll be yarn, and some other goodies. Yeah, so make sure you come by come by every day. Every day I have, well, I don't put up a video every single day, but come by whenever I put up a video. Make sure you're subscribed and you click that like, the like. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun time. So, and you must watch each video before entering because there's going to be a specific word in each of the videos, like I did last year. Did I do that the year before too? I think I did, but anyway, they're gonna be strange words, and don't worry if you don't spell them correctly. I'm still going to accept it, but I'm gonna want you guys, like before, to make up a sentence using the word. Because it's so funny. That's why you guys are hilarious. I can't wait to read your comments. Oh my goodness, you guys are just hilarious. Oh my gosh. And I'll sit there and I'll be reading them and I'll be like, hey hubby, listen to this one, because you guys are so funny. I love you all. All right, I think that's it. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and watch for those videos starting on November 15th. All right, bye guys.